Subject is science. Okay? Kirsten. What can a magnet do?
A magnet can push or pull.
How many types of magnet, Clara? How many types of magnet there are?
There are 5 types of magnet.
5, are you sure?
Yes.
The answer is 6, okay? Next, Priscilla. What are some examples of magnetic materials?
The example of magnetic material is that can attract by a magnet.
Okay, example,
It's
like iron
iron,
and
steel.
next. What happened when a magnet is broke close iron nails to iron nails? Iron nails. What happened? What is your name? Kenzo. What Kenzo? Next. If you can answer. Which object can a magnet attract? Plastic toy or paper clips?
Paper clips.
Ellen. Not only like that, okay? The object that can magnet attract, say. The object that can magnet attract is next. Kenapa sungai? Kenapa petani dapat menanam pada masa musim hujan? Karena apa? Karena kalau ada air, gimana jadinya untuk tanaman? Apa pengaruh air pada tanaman?
hujan.
Supaya tanaman
bisa.
Next. Kenzo. Apakah kondisi yang terjadi pada malam hari ketika kamu dapat melihat langit dan bintang?
Cuaca cerah.
Risil. Sebutkan 4 jenis cuaca.
Cerah,
Lalu
berangin,
apalagi?
mendung,
Lalu
dan hujan.
next. Clara, sebutkan 4 jenis musim di negara lain.
4 jenis musim di negara lain adalah musim semi, musim gugur, musim dingin, dan musim panas.
Next, Carson. Tempat keluarnya air dan batuan ke permukaan tanah secara alami disebut dengan? Tempat keluarnya air dari batuan ke permukaan tanah secara alami disebut dengan?
Disebut dengan
Mata
air.
Carson, what should we do if we have a problem? What should we do if we have a problem? What should we do? We should break. You don't know. Next, Clara. When do we need to follow step in algorithm? When do we need to follow step in algorithm?
Because
Next. When do we break problem to small step? When
we
have
a small big step
problem.
problem.
Next, Kenzo. What can we do to solve a problem?
To solve a problem is
What are codes used? Do you know what are codes used? The codes
the codex
used
is
where? You know? Okay. You don't know. Next. Matematika. Berapakah panjang meja? Berapakah panjang meja? Panjang mejanya. Okay, I see. You know? Okay. Panjang mejanya, Bet. Panjang mejanya. Okay. Next question. How many triangles make the big triangle? Okay. How many triangle make the big triangle? Yes. So this triangle come from, yes, but how many? How many triangle that you can find there? Can you find? Can you count it? Okay, go to class, Clara. Okay, go to class, Clara. Wait, let me check it first. Okay, go to class. Go to class. Have you finished? Okay, go to class. Okay. First question from science. What's your name? Eric. Eric. What can magnet do?
the magnet can push or
Next. Steve. What are some example of magnetic materials? What are some example of magnetic materials? Example of magnetic materials. And next, Darren. How many types of magnet? How many? There are. How many? Oh, sorry. Please use it. There are
There are 6
magnet. Types of magnet.
types.
Next, Steve. Steve, yeah. What happened when a magnet is brought to close iron? What happened when a magnet is brought close to iron nails?
Because iron and nails made from metals.
Yeah, so what happened? For example, this is magnet and then I make it close to the C source. This is magnetic materials, right? So what will happen?
It will pull.
Next, which object can a magnet attract? Plastic or paper clips?
Paper clips.
Kenapa petani dapat menanam pada saat musim hujan?
Terus
Mengapa petani dapat menanam pada saat musim hujan?
karena tanamannya
Karena
karena
tanamannya bisa tumbuh
bisa tumbuh dengan subur.
stevia. Apakah kondisi yang terjadi pada saat malam hari ketika kamu dapat melihat bulan dan bintang dengan jelas?
Karena langit
Adalah
langit adalah cerah.
Darren. Sebutkan 4 jenis cuaca. Cuaca cerah,
Cuaca cerah, cuaca
Apalagi?
berangin, cuaca dingin.
dingin. Oke, lanjut. Steve, sebutkan 4 jenis musim di negara lain.
Musim panas, musim semi, musim gugur, musim dingin.
Next, tempat keluarnya mata air dari permukaan tanah secara alami disebut dengan tempat keluarnya air dari bebatuan ke permukaan tanah disebut dengan
Mata air.
Next, what should we do if we have a problem? What should we do, Eric? What should we do if we have a problem? Next, we should solve. Next, Steve, when do we need to follow step in algorithm?
Sorry, Miss.
When do we need to follow step algorithm? Do you know? Darren, when do we break a problem into small steps? When do we break problem into small steps? Do you know? Next, Steve here. What can we do to solve a problem? You don't know. Next, Keisha. Where are codes used? Codes used in.
Is
Next. Matematika. Panjang meja adalah berapa panjang meja? Tulis jawabannya. Lengkap ya. 4 apa? 4 jengkal, 4 hasta, 4 depa. Oke. Oke. Next. How many triangles make the big triangle? Write down. How many triangles make the big triangle? How many triangles here? Just write down. Go to class. Go to class. Go to class. Wait. Okay, go to class. So, can you find how many triangles from there? Write down.